How to use ruler on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is a tutorial on how to use a ruler on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right in. So to use your iPhone as a ruler or use the ruler app on your iPhone, there is an built-in measure app. You can find it in your iPhone. And yeah, what you'll need to do is first locate that app. So search for the measure app. If you don't find it, it's under the utilities folder most of the time. So this is the app I'm talking about. So locate the measure app and then open it up. After you open it up, you will need to start moving your iPhone around a bit. And after you've moved it around a bit, just make sure that you've aligned the center dot with the starting point. So if you say this is a starting point right here, just press on it after you align it and start moving it. So after you start moving it, wherever your ending point is, just press on the plus icon there again. And there you can see there is the distance, and that is basically 12 inches. You can clear it out as well after you've done with that. And there is also a level option or level feature for your iPhone. So those are the features, and that is how you use ruler on your iPhone. And it's really that simple and also quite useful when you don't have a measuring tape or you just would like to measure whatever you want using your iPhone. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. If you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.